Hello everyone, today we are going to be making chocolate mousse. You will need ½ cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/4 cup of chocolate chips, and baking cocoa powder for topping, and hot water. In a bowl, we put our hot water in it, and we took a plate and put our chocolate chips to melt the chocolate chips. In our KitchenAid mixer, we are going to whip our ½ cup of whipping cream and beat it until stiff peaks form. After that, we're going to add our melted chocolate and mix it again. Chocolate and whipped cream are mixed well together. We put it in this cup, and now we're going to sprinkle the cocoa powder. But this part is also optional. Now put it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. Okay, here it is, our chocolate mousse. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share, and turn on the notifications so you'll get notified every time we post a video. Bye-bye.